Give me 1 minute and I'll teach you the ultimate hack to learning the fretboard. First, you need to memorize the notes on this E string. Remember, there's no note in between E and F and B and C. There's no E sharp, there's no B sharp. These things don't exist. Okay? Next, it's time to learn octaves, right? So, for example, if I have a note on the low E string and I go 2 frets over, on the D string, that is always going to be the same note. Now you can find any note that you know on the E string on the D string with this shape. It's almost like a power chord, right? Except see the little difference. Next, you start memorizing the A string. And with the A string, you can do the same octave shape that we did. Look. So now you can find any note that you know on the A string on the G string with the same shape. Then you're going to go memorizing the D string. Now with the D string, we have a different octave shape, right? If you are 1, 2, 3 frets away on the B string, these are now the same note. So once you memorize the D string, any note that you know on the D string, you can find it on the B string. And lastly, you're going to start memorizing the G string. And it's going to be the same shape. So once you memorize this G string, you can find any note on the high E that you know on the G.